My name is TJ. So today I will show you how you can operate this safely, and also how you can use this on your trailer and everything. It's the same method. Today I'm using it for my machines, my mowing machines, but I'm learning it for the unexperienced people, definitely the younger people, because I'm a gardener and I have a lot of students with me and everything, and they don't know how it works. So I learn them stuff like the filter and all that stuff, but also how to operate this. I will show you how it works and what you need to know about it. So I got out the mowing machine so I can show you better the ratchet. So it's important to know what's the back and what's the front. So I opened it. Now it's open. So this is the front and this is the back. You see on the teeth marks, that's the back. Also in the front you got like a hitch you can pull up to open it and close it. So if you want to, bracket, tighten it up. Sorry for my English. But you see the hole is supposed to be aligned here, but now it's here. So it's hard to do the cable. No, that's not the cable. Fuck. Wires now. Rope. So that again. So you see the hole is not aligned, so it's supposed to be here. You see it's over here now. So the rope, it's hard to get the rope in right now. It's easier if you're new to this to put it in the back because you think, hey, that's easier. But actually what you do, you just hit the edge up and close it and just rack it 1 or 2 times. Maybe I'm just gonna pause the video a second. So I did that. See? Now the hole is aligned. So if you wanna tighten. So if you want to do this, you got these on every vehicle. Just put them in here. It needs to be so. And then you get the cable. Like so. And you just put it in. Just put the rope in like this. Pull on the hedge. Do it like this. See? And then you can just rack it. If it makes that sound, it's good. And then you will tighten it up. So now you're done the machines, it's nice and tightened, it's not loose anymore. So now you're at a job site somewhere and you need to make it loose again. Just put it up, this hitch up, open it. Then don't put the rope like this and then, some people just do like this, the rope, and then, they pull it like this, and then like that, just too much. Just pick one on both sides, and then just pull it. And then it's open, and then you can just throw the rope through. Now, also, I want to say to you, see, now the hole is good again. So I say to you, you got small things that you gotta tighten up. And you got like a long ass line at the end. That's hangs loose. It's nothing inside your van, but if it's on your trailer, it hangs in the wind, and it's loose. don't do that. Just get this nice like this. Okay, it's a simple trick. A little of this. Like this. And if you're almost at the end, now it's not closed fully. If you're almost at the end, just take this rope, put it through, like this, and then put that same rope through it again. Yeah. And then just tighten it up, like this. Yeah, and then it's gonna be like this. You can do it small ones, big ones, and then that won't come loose ever. If you want to do it loose again, just pull it through, and that's it. You know, thank you for watching. I hope it was interesting. I know my camera skills are not that good, but it is what it is. I hope you're happy. Later.